Hello friends, many times we see that people's beard grows faster than their hair. But many people don't know why it does. So today in this video, we will know that why does beard grows faster than hair. Do you know that beards grow faster in the daytime than the nighttime? Your beard is growing quickly, because your genetic code has a gene for fast growth of hair and nails. The rate of growth of your beard has little to no effect on your potential for balding. That being said, men with high testosterone produce more dihydrotestosterone. Dihydrotestosterone or DTH is most active in follicles and the prostate. There is some evidence indicating DHT may also be partly responsible for baldness. Beard growth is separate from the hair we grow on our scalp. Both have no connection to the growth or thickness of the other. A beard may appear to grow faster, because of testosterone, hormones, ending puberty, nutrition or vitamin absorption change. All hair grows better in the summer and warmer weather. It grows in cycles. Sometimes it has growth spurts. Your beard has nothing to do with the possibility of your going bald. A true barometer of that would be to look at your male relatives on your mother's side of the family. If the men on her side are bald, and your grandmother had bald men on her side of the family, you stand a real good chance of being bald. If you were to put down the razor, and stop shaving forever, how long would your beard be? 27.5 feet. A man who shaves, spends roughly 3,350 hours of his life in the bathroom. Pogonophobia, fear of beards. Should you oddly enough have this, you'll experience symptoms of nausea, feelings of dread, sweating and irregular heartbeat, among others. Who knew a soft, fuzzy beard could be a traumatic experience for some? 98% of the Forbes 100 list of the world's richest men are clean-shaven.
So friends, now you must have better understood that why this occur. We hope that you have learned something new from this video. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.